Hello everyone. For add drop-down list in Google Docs like this to drop down, first open your document. On the top menu, click on Insert. From this menu, click on Drop Down. Now we can create a new drop down or use preset drop downs, for example, project status and review status. In this video, we want add new drop down. Click this section. Now we can create a new drop down, and in the first box, choose a name for your drop down. For example, test 1. And in this box, you must add your option. You can delete this text and add your text. Also, you can add color for each section. For example, for first one, green, second one, red, third one, yellow, and fourth, purple. Also, you can add, if you need more option, click new option section and add more option. Also, you can delete any option you want. After that, you complete this box, click on save. Now, as you see, our drop down add to our document. You can one click on that drop down and choose any option you want based on your option you add to your drop down, and for example this one. Also, if you want edit or add more option, click on that section, and now again you access to your drop down settings. You can change or delete any option or add option. Also, if you want delete, one click next to that drop down and on your keyboard press backspace. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.